They are specific guidelines which help us to achieve the correct and healthy control room. The case here is we can see that there is the ISO 11064 norm that is composed by several different aspects, and I would say that's the basic rule of when designing a control room, taking care of different aspects. And we are going to talk about a little bit more about these different things. But as you can see, it guides us all the way: the illumination, acoustics, space usability, visual ergonomics, part of the furniture as well, and then other important factors. And let's say that our team goal is to achieve a perfect control room design, even if it's possible, even exceeding the standards. So the standards are guidelines, but always possible to do something even better. Part of that previously mentioned ISO 11064. There are a lot of other rules and regulations. So we need to take care of all of these things. There are certain, I would say, fairly important norms and certificates, which would be, for example, the EN 527. That means a lot how the furniture part is made, dimensions. There are different super regulations, and that's something that we took very seriously. And all our models have been certified with this regulation and norm. These standards apply different fields, the control room design and implementation, like visual systems, also consoles, chairs, and all what is then related to these fields. And all these things, really, they have to be taken into account by any architect when they are responsible and they are doing such kind of design and to make a correct spacing for the control rooms. Then, when it comes to choose the right partner to start from the design, supply, and implement control rooms, it's a crucial decision, because it's like we know, normally these projects are not made for 1 year or 2 years. These are long-term projects, and with a lot of importance to the companies. So it's very important to consider the different quality industrial certifications which are related to the work process and the product itself. Let's say that in the market you can find a lot of companies which tells that that they are control room specialists, but it's important to analyze them in detail. And as most of them, they don't have such certificates or even knowledge to do this kind of work. So the best guarantee to have a peace in mind and make sure that required results will be achieved with the requested level of quality, timeline, that is also important, and professionalism. So we always would like to point out these things.